JCTRUTHER. I'm gonna do another easy homemade recipe video. And do taco flavored chicken for like chicken tacos, chicken burritos, chicken tostadas, chicken nachos, chicken quesadillas, whatever. So I just preheated the oven to 400 degrees. It literally just beat just now, so it's ready to go. And then I use just local chicken. This is Redbird Farm or Redbird. It's just chicken breast, individually wrapped. They were frozen. I got a good deal. They were on sale, like 30-40% off. It lasts all the way until next year. But the reason I get them is because, like I tell people, buy a local. Support your local businesses, especially if they do a good job and they produce good stuff. You want to support them for they can stick around. You know what I mean? But right here, it's in Eaglewood, Colorado. It's just a few towns over. And then it's no hormones, no antibiotics, cage free. You know what I mean? And then it's local. Support the local stuff. So we got that preheated. And these are unthawed already. They were frozen, but I put them in the fridge and they unthawed. But you could even throw frozen chicken in there. You could do it with frozen chicken too. But I think they cook a little bit better when they're unthawed. So let's just throw our spices, some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, some McCormick non-GMO, USD organic. And this one's just regular McCormick, it's just non-GMO. And then the taco season, I used to get the freaking Kroger kind, or like the Walmart brand, but they have different some ingredients. I don't know what they were. I went and searched them, and it messes up like your gut bacteria, and then ends up messing that up. I was like, dude, why do they have to put that in there? All you have to do is eat, regular stuff that God gave you. If you know what it is and God created it, it's probably pretty good. You know what I mean? Stay away from like processed stuff, especially like ingredients you don't know. You're like, what is this? Look it up. If you don't know what it is, look it up. But this one is just siesta. Siesta, I think it's called. But this one was a non-GMO, organic, and it's just regular stuff. Look, chili powder, sea salt, ground ace, tomato powder, garlic powder, yeast, cumin, onion flakes, casanova flour, cream of tartar, black pepper, parsley. See, it's just regular ingredients that you know what they are. Non-GMO. It had the non-GMO thing right there. It's ain't organic, but it's still non-GMO, and it has regular food that you can read. You know what I mean? Try to stay away from the fast food. It's not that hard to cook. Like, this is easy. I'm learning how to cook a lot easier because I used to fry everything back when I was younger. I used to love fried food. And everything on the stove, I used to cook on the top of the stove, but I'm learning how to do it just easier now that I'm getting low. You know what I mean? A little wiser. So you just sprinkle it with the taco seasoning. Alright, that's about good. And then you throw it in the oven for like about 45 minutes to an hour. And then what you could check it, make sure you want the temperature at like 160, 165 at least. And for your chicken, for your pork, you know what I mean, go like at 165 at least. And get all your temperatures up to 170 if there's like bones and stuff up in there, chicken, pork, and get it up to like 170. Like even burgers, hamburgers, like you could go steak a little bit under, but I still like mine's like at 160. That's the way I do it. But like this one, I'll go like 170. Make sure it's cooked. But you put it in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour at 400 degrees, and then like you could tell when, and that's any food. Like when it starts bleeding, like if it's beef, the blood will come out, and you can see it. Cook it a little longer till it bleeds clear. Still the juices ain't, you don't see no blood or no like white in there until they start coming out clear, and that's how you know it's done. So that, like you see like white stuff around your chicken, just cook it a little bit longer, and make sure it gets clear. I'm gonna have to do an updated recipe to my those Casa Bonita recipe I made with the tomatillo beef, that tomatillo green chili beef, because I threw it in there raw. I should have cooked the meat first and then let it just simmer, you know, in the green chili tomatillo, and that's the way I'll do the next video. But yeah, this is just some easy chicken taco meat. And go like that, and then you cook them, and then you can slice it in little slices. You can make whatever, cube it up, whatever way you want to eat. Long skinny slices, whatever. But yeah, bomb chicken tacos, you know, bomb chicken burritos, freaking easy too. Look at, just put it in the dish and spice it up a little bit, and throw it in the oven. Bam. But I'll show you the next part. I'm gonna put it in the oven right now, 45 minutes, and then we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Alright. Alright, the chicken's done. It actually cooked like 35, so check it. If it's unthawed, cook it for like 30 minutes to like 45 minutes. Mine was done at like 35-40 minutes. So yeah, just check it. Different you know, ovens, you know what I mean, cook a little different. But when it's frozen, it takes like 45 minutes, maybe even like an hour. But when it's thawed, it only takes like 30 minutes to like 45 minutes at the most, probably. But yep, it's done. Here's your chicken for chicken tacos, chicken burritos, chicken quesadillas. That's what I'm gonna do tonight. Chicken nachos, chicken taco salad, chicken whatever. Bro, we're good with all those recipes, or with all those meals. That's why I didn't like just make a meal, you know what I mean? I just make like videos, like stuff that people could use for multiple things. Look, I'm gonna taste it real quick. So come on. Looks bomb. Yep. I'm not bomb. Perfect for like chicken tacos, chicken burritos, nachos, quesadillas. And it's easy. Just slap it in the oven. Season it, and then put it in the oven. I put it in the oven for 400 degrees for like about 30 to 45 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. Mine's just done at 40 minutes, so 30-40 if it's unthawed. And then if it's like frozen, probably like about 45 to maybe even an hour. And it probably depends how much chicken you cook too, you know. Have a full thing, might cook longer. But yep, that's how you make some bomb chicken flavored meat, or chicken taco flavored meat. Yeah. All right. Much love. Stay strong, my brothers and sisters. Catch me on the next video. Peace. I'm out.